so today we are going to do the top 5 of Enwana Chere and the products be Chroma Hana Pede one market mo and then one the face and they have the most endorsement deals in Ghana.
Yeah.
Damuko for 5 feet.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.
Ebusiafo wa from DJ Parkour Rich. I had no me Parkour Rich studio. Na and there be a question be there one or your top commercial plug. You understand what one kofubi wa Ghana ha when it comes to advertisements were your top dog. And so today we are going to do top 5 people said who product them on a day one bon de ura you will never regret, and they have that
Mileage.
atasa
The euphoria, like the demeanor. Go steady, yeah, for me.
Yeah, I understand. Okay. And so today we are going to do the top 5 of Enwana Chere and the products be Chroma Hana Pede one market mo and then one the face and they have the most endorsement deals in Ghana.
Yeah.
Damuko for 5 feet.
Charlie.
I believe there be also a list to be about to my drop or comment section. But number 5 and I because of year 2025 or year January. You understand? Old people now in our account. Inti number 5 PKB.
Yeah, number 5. Number 5. Make I go.
No, okay. A big quick. So number 5 for the years about Kojo Dixon.
Yeah, Kojo Dixon.
Kojo Dixon, yeah. Obia. Or rising up to oil commercials on Peace FM.
Yeah.
Now those days in a boutique, if our friend Kwame Showbiz, neat fufu, this way.
Charlie.
Actually, the way ya, Paddy, obey your commercial that. Yo.
Onuka name anymore, just the voice.
That time, I'm out for shut I knew name.
Yeah.
They are streaming Bay your co-angel now, the way people get to see him. But then, but the voice did the miracle. Yeah, you understand. And so, yeah, the number 5 position I'm a Kojo Dixon. Now, when it comes to number 4, actually, as Emma wanna
bang.
Okay, so number 4, we are giving it to Mickey Osaibeck,
Master Rich.
Master Richard. When it comes to commercials here in Ghana, man, he's done a lot. And show commercial musa up on the full force.
Yes.
He promotes it well. We've seen the works why I'm a calf farm.
Yeah.
You understand? Young works why I'm a heaven. And so
Charlie.
Mickey Osaibeck, I'm sure you know a lot of stuff, Master Richard.
Yeah.
Brands we push one. You know them. Into the number 4 position. Yeah, man. PKB number 3.
Number 3. Mala me krumyi ana.
Odo ye krumyi, odo ever tell you. Baby ye freestyle worship.
Yeah.
Part 1 and 2.
Kwame Jokoto.
Pakwa, welcome to the radio. You do all about top 5 people. Why adverts? On the bar to number 3. Part 1 and 2. So Kwame Jokoto is our 3rd person on the list when it comes to somebody who really knows how to do adverts, push brands.
Charlie.
But I do almost slow and na pa you know. Yes, but I don't know Kwame Jokoto or slow down kakra what they ban on alcohol. What's banned in a one or any lane.
Yes.
Oh yeah, lots of liquor adverts. And now womusa na wa ye kakra. Food. And
cuisines. Food joints.
And I think there was a herbal side and also, or try or hokakra. It's the Bama or sets, Kwame Jokoto, or your legend in commercials or Ghana, what throw, sell brands or Ghana. You can't take Kwame Jokoto out Inti number 2, Papa Yadzbama wana.
Yes, number two. Bang.
Number 2 on the list. And I say, who knows tomorrow?
Who knows tomorrow? Acrobato.
In recent times, Acrobato, this strategy and this style of operation, he only particular place operates wo. You would see him on corporate brands, top brands, and you also see him with the herbal people.
Yes,
we have seen Papanono, Polytank. We have seen Guel. We have seen Lux, the Luxy Paints mu champion as it. So when it comes to your advertisements here in Ghana, Acrobato in a hand. Number 2 because he goes all out to push the brands very well. It's who knows tomorrow. Number 2.
Until hospital bills.
Now, how about doctor said?
For
Papa don't share suit green in our friend, Dr. Taiba. So, hey, Acrobat to local herbal hospital, they advert what for bad. But before I about number 1, please. Type and double share if your guess is as good as mine. And before we go to number 1, yes, YouTube. Let's search for Parkour Rich Studios. Let's subscribe to the channel so that you get more of this thing. Yes, I catch you there. Pede live streaming na in my events or your firm and coffee will feel power with social media. Contact Range Media. Live streaming they will give it to you. Why what records in Kofi Kinata and made in Tadi. A whole lot
Lexi comedy shows.
Just name it.
Yeah.
Epic streaming out who Range Media. Now number 1 on the list. PKB.
Go, fly.
Okay, so number 1 on the list.
Okay, make a start up.
Okay.
The ever beautiful, the sensational. When she speaks, Ghana shakes. When she dances, all the children are in love. Charlie, more Germany now.
Number one. Give it up to Nana Of course, and Tasa Kwadaka Shopo.
Yeah.
Empress Nanama McBrown when it comes to brand pushing, brand projection. Yeah, any endorsements deals does to them pranan here. Them woman High Sense, Syntes, Polytank, Testy Tom or a Syntes or a Polytank. Kivo. Ibami area mukra, AF Electricals, Amalina. Just name it. Tallest. Inti a pede push or your brand or Ghana. Number 1.
Make Brown.
Number 1.
Make Brown.
One brand you can use to project your product in Ghana. Verified. And everybody agrees. Yeah, Nanama McBrown. I remember somewhere around 2017 or 2016. She came to Plus FM. And I met her. I did a video. She did an endorsement for me. And all your endorsements in the way, I'm putting out an Access Bank reaching out.
Oh wow!
True, yes, true. An advertising agency, Dansuman, our friend DG Craft, that they wanted to use her for their commercial. That was my first time I spoke to Nanama McBrown. But I'm sure I don't care. You don't catch him there. Parkour. Can't you go for this? Sisi me boy deal. And that time, that Abba boy, it go shock you. You understand? And so that Abba is one of the solid brands. If you want to promote your brands and products here in Ghana, go for her and she'll give you the result. We're out of here. If you disagree, you tell me the person that you feel is the number one
in the comment section.
We're out of here. My name is DJ Parkour Rich.
Of course, PKB original. Yeah, happen.
Away.
I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.